Previously, inside the Premium League show, Napoli Lazio.
If Lazio win ba, Jesus, I go butcher my thing comot.
Your thing no get value for my side. Talk something wey go sweet me.
If you lose unko,
Okay, make I slap you 3 times.
you know what make I slap you, but you wan slap me.
Now you talk say I no fit win Napoli na. My defense go separate that victor from Osimhen.
Oh yeah na, 3 slaps.
So now here you the hide.
Blood of God, I don't die.
Elemental slaps.
No let me can cut you.
As the Premier League season dey on, no forget say na 1xBet be the better platform wey go run am for you if you wan bet on top your favorite team. That is after you don register with our promo code GNEXT. And you know na 300% bonus wey fit reach 189,000 naira you go get immediately you deposit your first betting money. No be only matches wey dem go soon play you fit bet. You fit even bet on top who go win the tournament now. If you bet on top plenty matches, you go activate the no risk offer, wey mean say dem go give you back your money if you lose. For 1xBet, you go see plenty offer where you fit win better prizes or even cash when you participate. No forget to read their terms and conditions and always remember to bet with sense. Thank you.
Hello? Ororo?
Waiting, you didn't call me.
Calm down now. Everything no be quarrel.
Why you dey waste my time?
E get something wey I hear for news the other day. I wan confirm am.
Waiting me that.
E fit be fake news but I wan confirm say na you talk am.
Talk na, no dey waste my time.
I watch video of you dey talk say the rivalry between the real and fake goats. Sorry, I mean the rivalry between me and you dey over.
Waiting you wan confirm? Shebi na me you see for the video dey talk am.
I know say na you I see, but nowadays fake news dey fly up and down. Videos dey fake, voice dey fake, even goats dey fake.
Oh my
so
God.
I wan hear am from your own mouth.
If you no wan believe the video, that one concern you.
No dey talk like that. I need to hear am from your own mouth.
This guy, I swear you get problem.
I no dey deny say I get problem. Everybody get problem.
Wetin you think say be your problem?
Too much of anything no good. God curse me with the ability to sabi play ball too much. Na very big burden, but I go carry my cross like that. I no dey complain.
Jesus. Okay, na me talk am.
Na you talk wetin?
The rivalry between me and you dey over.
I know say na you talk am.
You be Mumu Pro Max.
You don finally give up.
Give up waiting.
Give up the GOAT title na.
No be waiting I mean o.
Na lie, na wetin e mean? You don give up say you sabi pass me. Old age don dey tease you. E dey seduce you.
Na you old age dey seduce.
Now wey you don finally tire to compete with me, no more rivalry. We fit be real friends now.
Over my goat body.
Which one be over your goat body again?
I go rather join ISIS.
Na wow, but you say no more rivalry.
Me and you no fit be friends for this life.
Why na?
After everything wey you don do me,
Wetin I do you apart from to sabi play ball pass you?
God forbid this guy.
Wetin dey worry you sef? Na my fault say I sabi pass you. You see why I say this gift na burden? I just dey lonely at the top. Even you no wan friend me.
Go friend Beckham.
Beckham wey dey use me make money.
That one no concern me. Bye bye.
Wait. He don go? Na wow. Which kind guy be this na? He come be like say I dey desperate dey toast am. Abeg dey go joor. Make I try Ibrahimovic number. No, abeg o. Make I respect myself. Before person go use me make headline. Zlatan the king of goats. Chai, this top dey really lonely o.
Oga Lampard and Oga Sarri, una welcome.
Kobala.
Thank you, my guy.
Today who pass you no
Kobala, wait small. Shebi you locked door.
Yes sir.
Abeg no invite me and Molinho for the same show again at least for now.
Wetin happen?
That guy gets more injury for mouth.
Na accident.
Something like that.
Why you come dey fear am?
You not gonna understand. Kobala, abeg start your show.
Okay sir. Today who pass you get as e be. Na between 3 young players and the question dey a little bit different.
Ask your question, Joe.
Between Mbappe, Haaland and Bellingham, who una think say get more potential and who go first carry Ballon d'Or?
Chai, this question fit crack person's call
E no dey really hard like that na. Based on raw talent, I believe say.
Kobala, open this door. Shebi Sarri dey there. I go break this door.
Bala, sure you get back door.
Na that side, sir. I
Don't go. Make person no for scatter my head.
Wetin dey happen na?
Make we continue this discussion for our next episode.
Where that idiot?